Hey, Michelle. So it looks like to me that you are calculating some more surface than you actually need. All right. So let's see. Um, Over here, you have your formula for surface area, which is correct, by the way, but you have to understand the context of the exercise. So we're painting a barn, right? Now, this part, 2 times L times W, that would be this side. So let's see, length times width. So it would be this part of the barn. I mean, imagine that I remove the top of the barn, and since you are multiplying it by 2, then you have these two sides. But you're not going to paint them because they are not telling us that we are going to paint the inside of the floor of the barn, and we aren't painting also the inside roof part of the barn. So you are not going to need these ones, right? So just you just don't have to make the calculations on that part. And something similar happens with the shape of the top of the barn, which is a triangular prism. So, according to this diagram, you are not going to paint these parts of the prism. So what is going on is that it looks like you are calculating the whole surface area of the prism because you have your formula here, which is also correct. But you have not only the base of the prism, which is the one side that gives the shape of this prism, but you are also adding plus rectangle plus rectangle plus rectangle. So those 3 rectangles would be these ones that are in yellow, right? So this one, and this is the second one. And the third one would be like the whole base of the prism, right? So you actually have it here shaded, like this part would be the third rectangle. But you are not painting that part either, right? So what are the parts that we are actually painting? It looks like we are only painting this part and the one in the back that would be like a similar square, but I mean square is a similar triangle, but just facing to the other side. So you only need the areas of those triangular shapes. So you don't need this one or this one or this one. So there's no need for this, and it's going to be only this part. 2 times base. Let's see, it's 46 times 6. Yeah, that's the height. So, yep, this is the only one that you need. So, I think it was wrong because you were calculating a lot of extra surface areas. So, I don't know, take a look at it, and I hope that it helps you and that you get it right the next time.